After choosing a template, you are ready to retitle and add pages. To ensure all of the pages are suited for the purpose of adding artifacts, click on the Menu and Pages button to visit each page. For example, a page titled Books is most likely designed to sell books, and applications used for that purpose do not apply to the purpose of creating portfolios. But before deleting it, I'm going to check it out. After clicking on the page, close the menu bar. The layout of this page is perfect for portfolios. Unfortunately, the purchase buttons leading to unnecessary outside links can easily be deleted. When coming across something like this, just delete each from the page, and while you're at it, social media links too. When you are finished and wish to return to the menu and pages, click on the bar. If you see a blog page, just delete it from the menu bar by clicking the three dots and then clicking delete. A second delete box will appear, so you'll need to click delete again. Follow the same directions to delete contact pages directly from the menu bar. Click the three dots and delete. Wait for the second delete box to appear, and then click delete again. After deleting unnecessary pages, count the number of pages remaining to determine how many you need to add. Note that pages are in bold font and connected subpages are in regular font. For example, the About page on this template has 3 subpages to include extra information. Just remember not to count subpages as pages. There are 4 pages remaining, and according to the portfolio requirements, 7 are needed. Before adding the pages, go ahead and rename the existing pages. Doing so acts as a backup to the number of additional pages needed. Open the portfolio requirements document located in your AWH folder in your Google Drive. Split screen with the requirements in one tab and your Wix template in the other. Choose the first page on the menu bar. Click the 3 dots and then click Rename. The first page for the requirement is Archaeology and Early Humans. You can either copy and paste it or type it into the first page on the menu bar. Then click Done. If you need to move the About Me page so it doesn't disrupt the order of your unit pages, click and drag it to the top or bottom of the menu bar. Continue to rename pages by copying and pasting or typing the unit names from the portfolio requirements page. Do so in the exact order of the requirement. Before adding pages, I'm just going to quickly publish my page and then click Done. That ensures that everything's saved. Sometimes when the Wi-Fi goes down and you do work, you lose it. So just every once in a while, you want to make sure you publish the page, not just let the automatic saves do it. Now you are ready to add the rest of your unit pages by clicking Add Page. Here you will have options. You could choose a blank page and add features to it, or you could choose project layout pages since you are uploading assignments and projects, or you could check out the general layout pages as well. Take your time to preview layouts by clicking Preview and choose the layout you like best by clicking Add Page. The added page will go to the top of the menu bar. Copy and paste or type the unit page, click Done, and then drag the page down to the bottom of the menu bar. Again, make sure that your unit pages are in the exact order of the requirement page. When you are finished renaming and adding pages, click on the navigation bar. If you want to change the font style, color, size, etc., you can do so by clicking Manage menu. Before publishing once again to log out of your site, make sure to add a title to your home page. If you have a background image on the home page you wish to change, do that before adding the title by clicking on the image and then change strip background. You will have 3 options: color, image, or video. Wix offers a variety of backgrounds, images, and videos, and you can use the search bar to find specifically what you're looking for. After choosing your home page background, add the title. According to the requirement, you can use your first or last name, not both, and then an apostrophe S, AWH portfolio. To change your title, click on it and edit text. You have an option of changing fonts, size, and color. There is a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Take your time and choose the one you like best. When you've chosen your font style and size, then you can move on to color. You can create your own colors by clicking on the plus sign and moving the bar. After choosing the color or creating your own, type your title. Click Publish once again, and then you can log out. Or under Publish, you can click View Site and check out the pages on your site.